This is the kind of stuff we're looking for. Wow, look at the intensity of this whole everything. Look at that. Like I said, I didn't plan on coming back here. Not at all. But look at that. No choice. You gotta see this. If this, I mean, this is pretty shocking to me. So I'm thinking it's shareable material. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is, look at this. It's so clear now. Better than the last one. Oh gosh. Absolutely nuts. I'll be leaving here. I'll find my way back to this place again. I gotta try to get some sleep. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's like 5:15 a.m. I can't be up all morning doing this. Whoa! They're everywhere. Oh my goodness gracious. Just watch them. They'll pop on and off. They just disappear. Wow. What's going to come from that? I might have to wait and see. Yeah, there's something coming out of it, or white. Alright, alright. This is too much for me. Oh my goodness. Do you see him? Just watch. Alright, we can't be stuck in this again. Yeah, right over there. Look at this. It's like notes. Look at these. They're not going to stay. None of them. Man, look at how many of them there are. Oh my god. Those are the only ones we can see. Can you imagine the ones we can't see? Look at them. They're just so many. And you know those aren't going to stay. They're just, look, they'll be gone. Just watch. There, they're gone. Alright, we're out of here. Oh, the size. Tons of FOs. Tons of them. Alright, bye. We're out of here. See, look at me. We're at 6 minutes already.